Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. I have a Fashom unboxing. First, you'll notice that my co-host is missing. He is at the vet getting neutered today. I didn't know they would have to keep him overnight, so we dropped him off this morning and we'll pick him up tomorrow morning. So we miss him, but I'm sure he'll be fine. So I just received my Fashom box. This is my fourth one. I've been really pleased with these boxes so far. I've kept two or three things out of each box. The great thing about Fashom is if you keep at least 3 things, you get a 25% discount. And their prices are really good too. They offer their first 2 months with no styling fee, and after that it's $15, but that does get applied toward anything you purchase. And I will have a link below. If you sign up using my link or anyone's link, you will get a $10 credit off your first box, and I'll get a $10 credit also. So, okay, let's look at the bundle. Ooh. That looks nice and colorful. Okay. You do know ahead of time what's coming in your box because you're given, I think it's 8 choices whenever you request a box, and you choose which 5 you want to receive. But I'm always surprised seeing them in person. It makes a difference. So. Okay, let's see. This is really cute. It's like a knit top. It's not a sweater. It's like a little V-neck top. And you know what? I think this seems a little different from... This seems a little different. Sometimes whatever you select may be out of stock by the time they pack your box. So sometimes they have to replace items. No, this is... Looks like everything's the same thing that I selected. Okay. Okay, well that looks nice. It's a kind of a purpley mauve color, very soft. It's by the brand Natural Life, which everything I've gotten from them has been really soft. Okay, and this, it's a dress. I saw Tisha H get this same dress, and she made the comment that it was too short for her, so I thought, okay, well, I know it's gonna be too short for me. I'm 5'6", so not really tall, but it seems like it runs a little short. That is by, I think it's by Papermoon. Okay, this is another top by Natural Life. Is this blue? Yeah, it says blue and white. It kind of looks like a charcoal gray. It's a V-neck. It has the drop shoulder, and it is very soft. Again, with the stripes. That's cute. Okay, well, another top. This one's plaid. It's by Skies Are Blue. Has the roll tab sleeves. So, looks nice. Okay, and a pair of, I guess that's burgundy. It's cut from the Kloth Donna ankle skinny. And I do not have jeans this color. I've never really been a fan of burgundy. I really don't own many burgundy clothes at all. But it's starting to grow on me. So it would look cute with a gray sweater or that plaid top. Okay, I'll try it all on. Okay, I have on the dress. The floral print is really pretty, and I like the colors. The peach, and I think the background is black. It's by Papermoon. It's the Crescent Medina floral dress in size small. It's only $32, but it is too short. That's, I think, a couple of inches above my knee, so and it's not a flattering style. Kind of shapeless, so that is not going to be a yes. Okay, I have on the next two. Let's see, the plaid shirt is by Skyzer Blue, size small. It says navy and red. It's $44, and the jeans are cut from the cloth, Donna ankle skinny legs, size 4. The color is wine, and they're $69. And oh my goodness, do they feel good? They feel like more like leggings, even though, you know, they're the 5-pocket styling. Let me move it down. Okay, so you know, they're light jeans, but they're really stretchy and fit perfectly. The only thing is they might be a little short. I guess they're okay with these ankle booties. But I mean, they fit in the waist, fit perfectly. You know, they don't bag out at the knees. I hate when they do that. And so stretchy and comfortable. I just don't know if I need that color, but I'm gonna strongly consider them because they feel like pajamas or something. They're so comfortable. And the plaid shirt, I don't care for it that much. I love plaid, but this one is just kind of dull and kind of big. The roll tab sleeve is cute, but I just don't love it. So, okay, I'll try a different top. Okay, I have on the Natural Life striped V-neck sweater, although it feels like a knit top. Size small, dusty blue and white, $38. And you know, they sent me the same exact top in a light gray and white stripe last time, and I ended up sending it back, even though when I tried it on, I really liked it. I was impressed with how soft it was, but when I watched the video back, I didn't like these drop shoulders. I feel like they make you look so wide. Tell me what y'all think. It is really soft. Another reason I sent that one back is because I do have some other gray and white striped either knit tops or sweaters, but I don't have this color, so I might keep it if there are 2 other things I want just to get the discount, because it's definitely comfy. And just let me know if you like that, you know, does that bug you? So, okay, I have one more top to try in. Okay, this is the Natural Life brush. See, it says brushed drape sleeve sweater, but this is different because this has a round neck and it has some kind of, like it says drape sleeve. I can't tell in the picture, but this is actually styled exactly like the one I just had on with the stripes. It's got the drop shoulder, has a V-neck, it's very soft, and it's fine. I do like the color, and seems like the drop shoulder is not as noticeable on the solid color. So that's a possibility. It's very comfortable and casual. Okay, I'm back with the recap. My stylist was Morgan again, and I think she did a good job. Let's see, the subtotal of everything is $221. If I buy 3 items, I get 25% off, and if I bought everything, that would be $55.25 off for a total of $165.75, which is good for 5 pieces. Let's see, I'm not going to keep everything. Definitely not the dress. Too short. I don't really like the swing dress style. I just got a black swing dress in Crescent. I thought it was cute. I haven't checked out yet, but I'm probably not going to get it. This I liked. It was comfortable. It's just that drop shoulder, so let me know what y'all think about that. The plaid shirt I don't really care for. I'm going to send that one back. It's just kind of dull. I like this one. Definitely a strong possibility. Very soft. And then the jeans, I don't have any of this color. They're so comfortable. They are $69. And I will put everything that I received in the description below, the names and the prices. So I have to think about that. So these are the two things I like the most. And I do like this too if I want to get the discount. Sometimes it's cheaper to get 3 than 2, you know, once you add the discount in. I'll have to do the math on that. And you know, I said they charge you a $15 styling fee, but I haven't noticed a charge on my credit card. You're supposed to get your first 2 boxes without a fee and $15 after that, but I don't think they've been charging me a styling fee, so there's no credit for that. So I could just send the whole box back if I decide not to keep anything. So let me know what y'all think. Thanks for watching today. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe below for more videos like this.